Hello everyone, take the front of the hair and then make a cut on one of the sides at the eye level, the next cut at the nose level, and then the last cut at around the chin level. Now begin to diagonally cut the hair according to the cuts that you have made in the middle and on either side. Once you have done this, slowly begin to make V-shaped cuts, that is opposite V-shaped cuts in some areas of the hair. Then make the side diagonal cuts on either side as well. Now round each of the cuts that you have made and this is what you should be left with. Do this for each of the sections that you have created. Next, make 3 sections in the front of the hair. Take the central section first, pull a comb through it and then make a diagonal level to the comb. Take the scissors and cut the hair diagonally. Now, put the comb through one of the other sides and then cut it diagonally. However, this time, cut it outwards inside where the center is shorter and the outsides are longer. Do the same on the other side. Now, pull a comb through and then begin to make vertical cuts in the hair as such to make it blend in better. Do the same for the sides as well once you are done with the central portion of it. Next, take the center portion of the hair, pull the comb through, use a hair straightener to buff it out slightly. This will make it frame the face well. Do the same for the sides as well. This is the final look. Next, take the center of the hair, make a cut at the eyebrow level, make the next cut at the eye level on either side. Then pull a comb through and then make a diagonal cut to it. After you are done with one of the sides, move on to the other side and then cut it in the opposite direction, once more in a diagonal cut. This should give you an opposite U or V shape if it is more defined. For the other sides that are present, cut it at the level of the chin. Then make a diagonal cut through the hair as such. Do the same on the other side once again. Now, once you have cut it through accordingly, comb the hair, make some vertical cuts in it. Next, take the front of the hair and then cut the hair at the eye level. Pull a comb through and then make vertical cuts to the hair. After you are done with this, take 2 pairs of sticks, use a lighter in order to heat it up and then pull the hair through it and then curve it slightly. This will make it stay puffed up and add more volume to the hair. Adjust it as need be. Thank you for watching.